I saw there many more students who were waiting for their interview. And when the boss asked me about myself, I could not give the proper answers and I could not satisfy the boss to select myself. That's why I was rejected from that particular job. And when I left the room, I got disappointed. My name is Khursheed, sir. I help students like you to speak English confidently and fluently. So we'll basically start from zero level. So this is called a zero level spoken English course. So many students ask me, sir, why I'm not able to speak English confidently and fluently. Well, there may be several reasons for that. One of the main reasons is that in school we have been taught English as a subject. That is one of the main reasons that we are not speaking English fluently. And if we know that English is a language, it's an international language. We have different kinds of various languages in the world, like Kashmiri, we have Hindi, we have Japanese, we have Chinese. So likewise we have English as a language. So I ask most of the students, if a student is a graduate student, why he still is not able to speak English confidently and fluently? They answer that lack of practice. Lack of practice. And there are other reasons as well. Lack of the right platform to speak. The lack of opportunities to speak. We don't have the right environment where we can speak in English with our friends. So that means having not the right association where we can share our ideas, transfer our information in English language. My lovely students, do you know that there are 4 pillars to master any language? It means that if you want to master English language, you have to follow or complete the knowledge of these 4 pillars. Do you know which are those 4 pillars? Okay, I'll help you. The first one is reading. Okay, so if you want to become master English speaker, you must read lot of books in English. And second pillar is writing. Okay, it is not enough to read, but when we write what we have learned in English sentences in our notebooks, then it will also help us in mastering English language. Okay, third pillar is listening. Okay, you cannot skip this very important skill. Listening is also a crucial or important skill to master English language. Okay, and fourth important pillar or fundamental is speaking, because if we just read, write, listen, and if we don't speak, doesn't matter how qualified, how intelligent the student is, he will not gonna speak until he practices what he has or she has learned. Okay, so speaking is very important to speak English confidently and fluently. So but if you want to become master, if you want to become proficient, if you want to become expert in English speaking, you must master all these 4 important pillars or fundamentals or basics. Then you will be a rock star in spoken English. But if you have the desire that you want, sir, I want to speak English, that's it, what you have to do, then you have to follow 2 basic fundamentals. You have to listen a lot to the English videos or audios or English seminars. Okay, when you listen, then you have to speak what you have learned in your own style. Okay, so when you listen and then you will speak, and you will improve a lot. But if you are a student, you must have all these 4 important steps, because these 4 pillars will also help you in the written examination as well. So don't skip one of the important pillars if you want to master English language or any language in the world. A research has shown that if you just listen to the lectures in English, if you listen to the audios in English, or if you listen to the videos that are in English, you can learn or become proficient in that language by 45%. Not a bad choice if you just start listening English lectures. And if you speak what you have learned in those lectures, in those seminars, if you speak in your own style, and it can help you to improve yourself by 30%. That means these 2 skills, listening and speaking, contributes to 75% of learning any language, particularly English language. And then if you also read, it helps you to improve yourself by 15%. And if you are a good writer also, so if you write those sentences, the important points in English, it will help you by 10%. That contributes to almost 100% proficiency or expertise in speaking English. Though nobody is perfect in the world, but you will become a proficient English speaker if you master or follow all these 4 important basics. Take out your notebook right now and start writing down the important points and sentences. Why writing? Because writing also contributes to learning English speaking. So in order to become wonderful English speaker, you must listen as well as you must write, read and speak. But before speaking, you must listen, read, write. Read lot of books in English. Definitely the books will help you in gaining the competency. So in order to become wonderful English speaker, you must be connected to our channel. Subscribe our channel right now for the upcoming videos in English, and also share this important video with your friends as well, so that we will build a community of the students, and definitely I will definitely help you to become wonderful and confident English speaker, and will also help you in the fluency for speaking English if you are connected with our channel regularly.